How to use functions in Tableau. Functions in Tableau are called calculated fields. There's a couple ways to add them. I'll show you both ways. So click on the drop down in the data pane and click Create Calculated Field. That opens up a box with all of the functions that are available. This button opens and closes your cheat sheet. This has examples of how to use each function. I'm going to go through a couple. Let's go down to aggregate functions. You can do average, sum, max, min, median. Lots of different average functions. Let's do one. Let's say sum of sales. I'm going to write sum with 2 parentheses and the sales field. Fields in a calculated field will show up as orange. Click apply, OK, and that creates a function. You can also add a calculated field by clicking analysis and create calculated field. And it brings up the same box. In addition, you can double click over here to bring in the function. It also gives you an example. Hope this helps.